Check out this charming home in Deland with no hoa. This home has a circular driveway and a separate long driveway to the carport. The tastefully updated home shows itself throughout. Walk into an open floorplan family and kitchen with high ceilings. The kitchen has 42 inches soft close cabinets, granite countertops, custom backsplash, stainless steel appliances, including gas range, recessed lights and a large island with seating. There is also a large family room with fireplace that leads out to the pool. Both bathrooms have floating sinks and nice tile. The primary bedroom is spacious and has a walk-in closet. The bonus room has a large closet and could be a fourth bedroom, possible in-law suite if added a bathroom, game room, office, craft room or whatever suits your needs. Enjoy the Florida summer days in the saltwater pool, that has water features, fenced in with a wrought iron. The yard surrounding the pool is astro turf for easy maintenance. On the side of the house there's a fenced-in portion of the yard that has grass and perfect for pets. Home is equipped with a generator,